When I first began to walk with the Lord, I didn't really trust Him, and how He longed for me to understand that I could. So in the valley, He led me as plain as I could be. Then I felt His loving arms embracing me, and how could I ever doubt a God whose hands hold the universe? And how could I ever question His ability? You see, there's nowhere that I can go where my God doesn't know the things that troubles me. He's always aware of where I am and what I need. Yes, 'cause I've been through enough to know He'll be enough for me. Somebody tonight say, 'cause I've been through enough to know He'll be enough for